Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft 365 for free from Microsoft and activate it. Let's go start. Open any web browser and search Office Customization Tools in searching bar. The first link is from Microsoft. We'll go ahead and download these tools. Which architecture do you want to system? In searching for system information in the Windows icon bar. My operating system is 64-bit. So I select the 64-bit. Select Office Suites product, and I choose Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Now Office Apps Customization, for example, does not use OneDrive Desktop, Skype, OneNote, etc. Next click. Must be select primary language, and I choose the English US. Next click. Next click. Next click. Next click. Next click. Finally click on Finish. And click Export. See the new interface and select the box Office Open XML formats. Select the box for I accept the terms in the license agreement. Finally click on Export. Just open New tab, type here for the Office Deployment tool, and press Enter. The first link is from Microsoft. We'll go ahead and download these tools. Go to the download file location. Create a new folder on the local C drive under Operating System. Choose any name, and I'm selecting Office 365. Back to Download folder. Right-click on Deployment Tool Run as Administrator Tools. Click Yes, this one, continue, click. It's going to ask us where we want to store the extracted files, and put them on already created folder Office 365. Cut the configuration file, and put them on already created folder Office 365. Click Windows icon and search for Command Prompt, and click the top result to open the console Run as Administrator. See the new interface, and type here cd space and creating folder location path. Just copy the address and paste here. Press Enter. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now type here following command. setup.exe/configure configuration.xml. Must be the same or both names. Press Enter. This process going to take a while based on how fast internet connection you have, because this will download around 2 to 5 GB of data. Please stay online while Office downloads. Will be done in just a moment. A few minutes later. Microsoft 365 is installed now. Click Start to view apps, for example Microsoft Word. Let's open it, and there we go, the sign in or create account. Type your email address or mobile or Skype if you already creating accounts. I'm typing my email address. Next click. Read the message. and click Send Code. New code forwarding in your email from the Microsoft. Sign and click. We can see we have successfully installed. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.